Hi guys and welcome to Tech Anorak. So this video, I don't know if it's a rant or a moan or sour grapes or what, you be the judge in the comments, but obviously I've become a tech YouTuber this year and I just thought I'd go over some of my things I've learned. And basically on the desk here, these are all the devices that I've amassed really this year for chasing, YouTube views in a way. I mean, not just for chasing YouTube views, there's a story behind each one. So my Google Pixel 4a, I got this before I started YouTube. And this was the reason I started YouTube, because I watched that many videos on it. I thought, I could probably do this. I'm obsessed with phones. I nearly started the year before, but time wasn't right. My baby had just been born. And so then there's another story with tablets. My son, he's only 10, but he likes drawing. So we got the Samsung S6 Lite. But when we got in this, because it had the S Pen, he was saying, "Oh, I want Procreate," even before we got this. And I said, "Well, an iPad's a bit expensive." But then I had a bit more money a few months later, so we got him the iPad Pro 2020 that's got the Apple Gen 2 pencil. And, he loves both. In fact, we've not sold this. I'm considering selling that, but I don't know. And then also, I bought an iPhone 11. I got a really good deal on that. It was £250 in the UK from just a private sale from a woman. You might have seen the video on that one. So like $300. And then I worked out I could flip that and make a bit of extra money, only an extra £30 on a trade-in. And then I got my OnePlus Nord 2 5G. So yeah, what the video is about, just to get to the point, guys, is so YouTubers, it seems, when you start out, you have to spend so much money to be relevant. So I can't get an S21 Ultra, I can't get an iPhone 13, latest phones that are out, I'll just bankrupt myself. And I could do, I've got a good credit rating. I could get thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds worth of loans if I wanted, but I don't think that's the way to do it. I think the main thing about this job, it's not a job, the main thing about this hobby, or YouTube can be a job, is just to make sure you enjoy it, really. So, I've considered, shall I just get the latest phone just to show you for views? And, like I say, I'm not willing to do that, really. I've seen people who started similar time to me who've done that, and, their views and their subscriber count, it's probably double mine, if not more. And those guys, fair enough, they might have the money behind them, and like I say, it might sound like sour grapes. I've not got the money to spend like that, so I think I'd rather do it the long way. And it might take me longer, maybe an extra year, 2 years to get to 1,000 subscribers. But yeah, there's, like I say, there's people out there I'm seeing that started new, and they must be spending thousands and thousands. And I've spent quite a bit here. There's probably over £1,000 there on the desk. But I'm seeing people who've just started this year, in the last 6 months, and they must have spent 2, 3 to 5,000. Because they've had a Z2 Fold, they've had the new Z3 Fold, they're getting the iPhone 13. These channels, I'm not going to name names. Let them do their own thing. And maybe if I had the money, I might have done it that way. But I don't know. Like I say, guys, it's hard starting out as a new YouTuber to be relevant, and I'm just still trying to find my niche. So hopefully I'll get there. Side note though, I've ordered a new bit of tech that's coming tomorrow. Hopefully, it's took a long time to get here, but here's the mount for it. So I've ordered one of the DJI Osmo Pockets, the first gen one. This is just a little foam mount. So your Osmo Pocket goes in here, and then your phone goes in here. But yeah, I think the thing I'm going to do, I've really enjoyed the videography side of things. So when I get my Osmo Pocket, one thing I'd like to do is do some more sort of cinematic shots, because that's basically a camera attached to a gimbal, and I think that might be a good direction. I'm also getting a good love for cameras, which I've never really been into. I've always liked phones and computers and games consoles, but yeah, I think doing this, I'm getting into being a camera geek really. Again, it's just all to do with money, but yeah, I don't know, guys. Any of my subscribers out there, um, have you enjoyed the content I've done? You know, um, like I say, it is difficult starting out. It's if anyone's watching this who's a new YouTuber or has plans on getting into YouTube, I'd really recommend hammering down on a niche. It's difficult to like try and be all the big guys straight away, like Flossie Carter or MKBHD or whoever, because obviously I'm sure they work very hard to get where they are now. And again, I'm only a few months in, I'll get there. But yeah, you just got to grind it, I think, a bit. So yeah, like I say, I don't even really know what this video is about. I don't know if I'm moaning to YouTube or you know, it's just I wanted to do a little blog of or vlog of how I'm doing as a YouTuber, and these are some of my thoughts so far into it. One thing I would say, guys, if you're new to YouTube and or you've got aspirations to start YouTube, the big thing for me is your community. I love all the comments. As much as playing with all the tech, and you've probably heard on other videos, it's just amazing interacting with your community from people from all over the world. I've spoke to people from India and America, also people in the UK where I'm from, and it's just an amazing platform to be on. And I wish everybody well. If you are a YouTuber or you want to be, I wish you all the best in 2021 and beyond. Okay, so as always, tell me what you think about this one, guys. Hit me up in the comments. So if you're a fellow tech YouTuber or just a new YouTuber starting out, in any sort of focus, well, it doesn't have to be tech, can be anything. Are you feeling the same way? Is it a bit of a grind to start with? But yeah, I'd love to hear from you in the comments and let's have a bit of a chat, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Take Anorak out. Take care.